The first technique I'm going to show you is rotation, always using the hips. Locato, remember that word, yeah? So you want to bend your knees slightly. So you know when you go to a party and then you're feeling the vibe, everyone is always like, oh yeah, yeah, party's vibe, yeah, ooh, 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 yeah. So we're going to go a bit deeper into that. So we all know rotation goes round. It doesn't matter which way you're going. For me, for example, I'm going clockwise. So my rotation is going from left to right. So from 0 to A, you come back. From 0 to B, you come back. 0 to the back, C, and to D, and then come back. So if you want to go, you just practice that and try to get faster with it. So it's going to go A, B, C, D, A.